Hi friends, in this video we will see the auto attendance marking features in the COSEC APTA. So let us download first the application from the App Store in the iPhone. You can also download in the Android phone from the Google Play Store. The application name is COSEC APTA. You can see on the screen. Download it first. And what is Matrix COSEC APTA application? If you have this application installed in your phone, no need to go at device to punch your attendance. Like if you go to the device for fingerprint attendance or with palm your face recognize, no need to go at the device. From your cell phone itself you can mark your punch. So gone are the days where you need a biometric device to mark your attendance. With Matrix COSEC APTA, you can ease your life from the so-called occupational hazard of managing leaves and attendance. Matrix COSEC APTA is a one-stop solution for all your time and attendance needs. With COSEC APTA, you can mark your attendance with your current location, view your daily, weekly, monthly attendance, view your leave balance, view and apply leave to applications, request for attendance correction. You can view and edit your profile, shift schedule and holiday schedule. You can manage. And view your shift schedule and holiday schedule, view your e-canteen account information, get important notifications, select job codes while manual punch and marking. Also, if you are in a group in charge, you can also view your group team member attendance, approve or reject leave to application, approve attendance correction request is then access door by BLE scan and QR code scan, auto attendance and manual attendance through BL. For more information, you can see in the description we have mentioned the links for more information. You can go through on that. Yeah, so it's installed and let us open now. First screen you can see this user ID password. Also at the bottom you can see the settings option. First we have to apply here our server address and ports, then we have to save. So let us first enter our server address and ports. Okay, once it's enter internal and external both addresses, we have to save it. Preferred network keep as it is external and save the configuration. Okay, my ID is TFS052 and the password remember it. Login. Yeah, it's get logged in. Allow COSEC APTA to access your location. Yeah, always allow. Yes, so once you get logged in, you can see the home screen. Here I can see on the top there is my user ID, my name. Also there are four options here: my attendance, my team, view user profile, tracker. Okay, so in my attendance I can see my attendance like daily, monthly, everything. If it is shift anything I can see inside my team means I am the group in charge of my IT team. So whatever employees in IT team I can monitor them attendance. Its third option is the user profile. I can see my profile. I can edit something. Tracker also it is for the tracking the employees. Now let us start with my attendance. Here you can see your present and absent days, late in, early out, etc. The second option is a daily. Here you can see your daily attendance from last I can see for uh, January also I can see here. Also now let's see for this month February. Drag down, you can see here 19th February the in and out time. Here you can see out time is 12:51 because it's if you are logged in with this application it will keep on tracking your location every 5 or 10 minutes, whatever we have configured in the system. So as soon as employee is going out of your premises, it will get punched. So see, for 18th February you can see the in time out time. Okay, now this is a request that we have not configured it. Events, we can see in the events my in time, it's my events, my attendance. In my events I can see my in time today morning 8:38. Source means it's punched from the application. The location also it is showing the Matoto plant. Okay, so if you are punching from the device, it will show the device name here. Here you can see the source location status. Okay, so last entry it was again 1249 1251. Here you can see your leave balance if it is configured. Holiday list. Now let us talk about my team, second option. Here you can see your team related uh, options: approvals, authorizations, summary. In summary, let's see the January summary. Search member, we have to search member. Let's see for the Bangura Mohammed. You can see his summary also in this option. How many days he was presence and absence. Let's see about February. So here the summary for the your team members. Events. Now in my team, if I go in events, this is the today. You can see on the top 19th Feb 2020. I have to search here the user means employee Bangura Mohammed. I can see his attendance here. Today on 19th Feb he was entered. In time was 8:34. He has punched from the device, the admin office device, means which device we have kept here for the punching. He has punched from there. Also I can see previous dates also. Let's see for 16, not 15. I can see for 15th also, 15th Feb. He was entered. In time was 8:27 from admin office, and out time was 18:58. So this is the event option for it is very interesting for the team member. You can monitor here. Let's see for Eric on 15th. You can see the time. Now let's see for 19th Feb. Yeah, today he came 8:85 and he has punched. Then he left at 10:41. Due to some reason he has left, so he has punched here. You can see here. If he punched from another location, from the another plant, you can see the name of that device location. In location you can see the name of the area where we have kept the device. Okay, now third option is a view user profile. I can view my profile. I can alter also here my passport number, driving license, etc. Personal, I can see my birth date. I can alter blood group and everything. Contact details you can see here. Group, change, you can change your password also from here. Okay, now this is a tracker option. Tracker, in tracker you can see the shift view, site view. Okay, today in this site I have the 5 employees in, and who is in 5 employee I can see here. In shift, today shift there are 6 employee, but 5 only is presence right now because one member has left. We see the Eric. So in this site from my team there are 5 employee only in presence. Yeah, there, and in the shift view you can see in the detail assigned for the 6 people and reported. All 6 people has reported, means assigned means I have the 6 member in the IT. All are assigned in the IT team, and reported, all 6 has reported today. I can see here. And schedules for 6 late in, you can see 4 person have late in. So these are the option in the COSEC APTA. Yeah, so last one thing we have to note in the application for iOS user, there are some issues from the matrix. Here in the settings auto attendance feature, you can see now it's enabled. So if it is enabled, it will keep on punching when you are in and out from your premises, so it will get punched. But in iOS this options is getting disabled. It's some bugs in the application from Matrix. They have to rectify it in coming updates. Okay, so this option we have to keep in mind, and we have to, when it is disabled, you have to keep enable and save it. For Android user there is no issues, it's working fine in Android.